Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft uh, invalid session problem. It's easy. If you want to fix it, first just click here and type control panel, and now click network and sharing center, and then go to access type internet, and you will find here internet or Wi-Fi. Click on it and then click properties, and after that go to protocol internet version 4 and then properties, and now go to used following DNS server addresses. Copy those numbers here and click OK, close it, and that's it. After that click here and then type cmd, right click on it and click run as administrator, click yes, and now once you're here type ipconfig /flush DNS, enter, and then type niche winsock reset, and that's it. After that your problem must be fixed. Just try again, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.